I'm going to show you another new method on how to single name on your Facebook profile. So if you want to have that one name on your Facebook account, then this video is right for you. So what I need you to do is to follow along as I guide you step by step. And if you find this video useful, consider giving a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. So that being said, let's begin. So guys, I'll first show you the account that I'm going to apply that single name on it. So this is the account. As you can see, it has two names on it, but at the end of this video it only have one name on it. So to begin with, open your Play Store application, then search for this VPN. So install this VPN in your device. I've already done that. So after installing it, now open it. Then select switch VPN server location. So tap on that option. Then scroll up to locate Indonesia. And then select any server. So select the very first option, Jakarta. Then tap on start to connect to that VPN. As you can see, VPN connected. Now minimize this VPN and open your Facebook application. So tap on those three lines at the top right corner. Then scroll down to settings and privacy. Then select personal and account information. Then tap on name. Now guys, you need to edit your first name to your liking. And then the last name, make sure you delete the last name. Now on your keyboard, just click on spacebar once. Then tap on review change. Submit your password to save changes. Then tap on save changes. Now go back to your home page. Then tap on your profile and then make sure you refresh it. And by doing so, you have now successfully applied single name on your Facebook profile. So that's it for me today. So if you find value in this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on notification bell to be notified whenever I upload any video. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.